Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful using your mobile application. To disable two-factor authentication on Paxful, first of all launch open the Paxful application and log into your account, or you can also visit paxful.com on a web browser and sign in. After you're logged into your account, go ahead and look for the profile icon, which will be located at the top left corner of the screen. This will open up the account page from where you'll need to scroll all the way down until you see the two-factor authentication option. Now, whichever authentication method you have chosen, simply select that. Since I've chosen two-factor authentication for a login option, whenever I enable the 2FA on Paxful, I'm gonna have to select the same option here. Now, you will be able to see a tick mark for the option that you've chosen that you'd like to receive the two-factor authentication code on. Go ahead and select the None option at the top and simply go ahead and tap on the None option to disable two-factor authentication and enter the two-factor authentication code on your SMS app or your Google Authenticator app. Look for the code under Paxful, enter it in your app, and you will then be able to disable two-factor authentication. Enabling two-factor authentication is crucial for the security of your account, so we recommend you not to disable it if you want your account to be extra secure. But this video is for help and guide purpose, so if you ever want to disable two-factor authentication on Paxful, that is how you do it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.